Then boiling point order of this n-pentane, isopentane, neopentane. Branch increases, boiling point what happens? Decreases. Increasing order they are asking or decreasing order they are asking. First you have to observe. Correct order of boiling point. Correct order only given. Increase, decrease word not there here. Then you have to select the correct order. So branch increase mean boiling point, decrease mean this is less boiling point, this is more boiling point. Now select the correct option. This is not. First option is not, because this is branch increase in boiling point, decrease no. But here given which one? Greater. This is lower. Then first option is wrong. Second option, here this is given greater. Here symbol observe. Greater, here greater is there. This is also not. This is greater, okay, but this is not the greater. Okay. Then here less than, greater than means this is not. So automatically option D is correct. Okay. Next one. Which is not correct about alkane? Which is not correct about alkane? This is the 11th question. So I am reading here. Burns with non-luminous flame. Burns with non-luminous flame. B. Decolorize a bromine solution. Can show stereoisomerism. Have torsional strain. When alkene, alkene, alkyne, benzene is there. So you may be observed that in your laboratory or in second year you may be observed that when organic compound, if you take in spatula and heat it, then it gives some flame with the yellow color and some carbon powder will come outside. Alkanes are gives only flame but not that is sooty flame. Here they given luminous word. So that much brightness will not come. Okay. So those are having carbon percentage more, for that it will come, or those are having sp hybridization that will give, that is called sooty flame or luminous. They given here non-luminous flame, that is correct only. Decolorize the bromine solution. You may be heard in the alkene chapter, alkyne chapter. This is the test for unsaturation. Those are having multiple bond, that only gives a bromine test. It means double bond is there, triple bond is there, mean bromine orange color will be disappear. But here double bond not there. Alkane mean which one? Single bond. So that is not answer. Then C. Can show stereoisomer. Yes, possible stereoisomer. Now this can be, if I write like here, this methane, this is, if I want to write hydrogen, this is ethane, all are different is there. Then possible. One bond, second bond, third, fourth, again hydrogen will come. Then here any chlorine can say like this. Then possible. Or otherwise this is methane, this is ethane, this is C3H7. All are different groups are there or not? Then all are different is there, mean it is also shows the stereoism possible. C, okay, but we want not correct. Have torsional, it means B option only though. It decolors the bromine solution, mean not decolorize. They given decolorize the bromine solution, but alkane do not decolorize. So that is not correct, mean B option is correct. Here D option also I will read. Have torsional strain? Yes, because we studied in the Newman projection like this. Yes or no? So these two hydrogens are having torsional strain. Torsional strain. Torsional strain means what is that? This electron pair repulsion when eclipsed form. That also I taught in the video lecture. Otherwise in your website also these videos are there. Again you can revise this. When first time I taught in the video lecture in your website, that time very detailed information is there. Nearly 64 videos are there on first chapter. Nearly 64 videos only on first chapter of organic chemistry. Next, then option B is correct here. During the preparation of ethane by Kolbe electrolysis method using inert electrode, the pH of the electrolyte. See, I will write one equation here. CH3COONA, CH3COONA, this is HOH water, HOH, then here electrolysis, then what will happen? This is methane, this is CO2, this is NaOH, this is H2, like this eliminate. Then what is formed here? CH3, CH3 and CO2, another one is NaOH, another one is hydrogen. These are at anode, these are at cathode. Okay, CO2 is acidic or basic? CO2 gas is acidic, but very weak acidic. But NaOH is which one? Basic. It means strong base. Strong base is there, mean pH, what is it? Greater than 7 or less than 7? Greater than 7. You know pH scale 0 to 14. 7 mean below this is acidic, this is basic. Then pH, what happened after electrolysis? Increase or decrease? This is the electrolysis reaction. After electrolysis, what are the product form? These are product form. Then pH, what happened? Increase or decrease, mean what you will tell? Increases, because which is formed here? NaOH. At electrode, pH will be increased. Got the point? Actually, this is electrochemistry chapter 2nd year. So there, this is a JEE mains level question. But here, you know already little bit that the pH respect to concept. Now we can easily answer without knowing electrochemistry also. Okay. Now answer here, I will read the option. Increase progressively as the reaction proceeds. First one only correct, because here they are asking pH of electrolyte. What happened? Increases. In question already they mentioned pH. Then first option, what is that? Increases progressively as the reaction proceeds. Reaction proceed means pH what happened? Increases. B option is, first option only correct. B option I will read. Decreases progressively as the reaction proceeds. No. Because here NaOH is base strong, that is pH increase. Remain constant throughout the reaction? No, because NaOH formed increase only. May decrease of the concentration of electrolyte is not very high. Not very high. So that is not a correct option. First option only correct. Now, already every student know that this reaction UV PU purpose also very important, but that is only given in the form of question. Now, question is, select the chain propagation step in the free radical combination, free radical chlorination of methane. Methane plus chlorine gives rise to, in presence of HNO. First what will give? CH3Cl, then what will give? CH2Cl2, then CHCl3, then CCl4. Like chain process up to CCl4 formed. This mechanism also I given in your notebook. And this is very important for board level also and competitive level also. So now they given is options, not option. First they given 1. Cl2 gives rise to 2Cl dot. Second one is Cl dot plus CH4 gives rise to CH3Cl plus H dot. And third one is Cl dot plus CH4 gives rise to CH3 dot plus HCl. And fourth one is H dot plus Cl2 gives rise to HCl plus Cl dot. Now options are given. A is 1, 2, so not 2, 3 and 5. 5 also is there here? 5 maybe I forgot. 5 is CH3 dot plus Cl2 gives rise to CH3 Cl plus Cl dot. And B is 1, 3, 6 also is there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. That means it is 4 only. Then C is 3rd and 5th. D is 3rd, 4th, 5th. Can you answer this according to your notebook? You can just open your notebook. In that, first initiation step is there, next propagation step is there, next termination step is there. Now they are asking propagation. Propagation mean what is that? See, initiation step is Cl2 break down into Cl dot, Cl dot. Then this is which one? Initiation step. So first one is not. So first one is not mean this is also not, this is also not, this is also, sorry, maybe answer may be C and D. Answer may be C and D, because here one is there. One is there. One is which one? Initiation step. So how to eliminate is very important. So now we eliminated this concept. Now Cl dot CH4. Then what is formed here? First we are taking CH4 plus Cl dot. Then how it form? Carefully. Here one hydrogen, one Cl, that will form HCl, and this is form CH3 dot. Correct is there? Correct is it. Then second step is which one? Propagation step. This is. Then third one is what is that? Cl dot CH4. Then what is second step is wrong? Eh? Second step wrong now. Because here what is formed here? But here what is there? CH4, Cl dot, Cl dot. Here what is formed? CH3Cl, mean wrong. Second one is wrong. Then automatically third is correct. Third correct. Then fourth one is HCl2 not form. Anywhere in the initiation also not there, termination also not there, propagation also not there. Then this one you can check here. CH3 dot, next step again Cl2, one dot and here one dot, CH3 Cl plus Cl dot will form, because this will be actually like this it is formed. Cl dot and this dot, this one form, remaining Cl dot like this. So formed or not? Formed. Then which is correct? This is correct. Third correct and fifth correct. Next. Racemic mixture is obtained as one of the product during monochlorination of. So this question is also important first year, also important in second year. Question what is that? Racemic mixture is also obtained. Racemic mixture meaning what is that? I think those are first year students, if they are watching this video, they don't know, because I thought this is in first, but no one student watched this video. But offline video, offline teaching, that time I not taught this one. What is that? Racemic mixture. You don't know optical isomerism in offline, but you maybe know those are watched this video in online. That time I taught what is the optical isomerism, what is the geometrical isomerism, and each and every detail. Racemic mixture nothing but enantiomers. Enantiomers meaning what is it? They are optically active, each one when together optically inactive. So first you should know that A, B, C, D. Around this carbon all are same or different? Different mean what you call chiral. Different mean what you call chiral. Got the point? Chiral carbon is mean if you cut this molecule you will not get equal parts. This unsymmetrical. Chiral mean what is that? Unsymmetrical. So if it is like this, mirror image what is that? This is its mirror image. If you see in mirror, this will appear. D first appear, next C, next A, next C, vertical as it is appear, horizontal only change. D first appear. If you see in mirror your face, front part appear or back part appear? Front only, no? So this is front. Here we are placing mirror mean, which is front? D front. So D first appear. So these are which one? Chiral carbon compound. Mirror image to each other. Pick up and place on first one. Superimposable. Superimposable mean like this. This is. What is this? Superimposable. But don't place like this. Actually we have to pick up and place like this. Then only middle finger is superimposable, remaining are not superimposable. Therefore, those are mirror image to each other but not superimposable. That is called enantiomer. Optically active individual. Together, optically inactive. Because this will be rotated like this, means this will be rotated like this, equal magnitude, then it is optically inactive. So keep in mind, enantiomers are pair of enantiomer 1:1 ratio or 50-50%. Then these are optically inactive because their rotation is equal magnitude, therefore inactive. If it is plus 10, this is minus 10, then resultant what is that? 0. Therefore those are having 0 degree of rotation of PPL light, that is called optically inactive. So now question is, racemic mixture is obtained. Racemic mixture means what is that? 1:1 ratio or 50-50%. Enantiomer pair, that is called racemic mixture. N-pentane, this is N-pentane. Second one, isopentane. Third one, neopentane. Fourth one, 2-methyl propane. See, racemic mixture is obtained as one of the product during the monochlorination. If you do Cl2 and H2, now only we discuss chlorination, propagation reaction. So what happened? Only one chlorine. Where it is possible? Possible product I am writing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. At this position may be possible. At this position may possible. At this position may possible. Again repeat means this is same. Again repeat means this is same. Because name same means that is not a different compound. Name same means same compound, identical. Here the same, but chlorination possible here also. Here also. Here also. Because where hydrogen is, the hydrogen replace chlorine place. Correct? Here same is there. This is CH3, this is CH3. Any one sided, no problem. You will get the same answer. This is a possibility. Now here only one possible. Because this CH3, this CH3, this CH3, this CH3 all are identical. Anywhere right name will be same. So only one. Here this given, all are 3 CH3 same is there, any one side right, same answer. Another one possibility is here also hydrogen is hydrogen remove, place this one. Now racemic mixture when it is possible, when chiral carbon is present, then only possible, otherwise no. Here chiral carbon not there, because here how many hydrogens are there? 2. Any 2 are same, that is achiral. Any 2 are same, that is achiral. We want which one? Chiral. Chiral means all different. So here chiral carbon not there. Here is there or not, check. This carbon is chiral or not. CH3, Cl, this total 1. Total how many groups required? 4. But here how many are there? 4 are there. Because in bond line notation we are not representing the hydrogen. So here hydrogen is there. All are 4 different is there or not? Different. Then here what is that? This is chiral. It is there means its mirror image also possible or not? Possible. Possible. Here this is one group. Right side what is there? Ethyl. 1, 2 carbon. Ethyl. Left side also what is there? Ethyl. Same groups are there means this is not chiral. Next here same is there, hydrogen hydrogen, because carbon valence count here 4. 1, 2 mean remaining 2 hydrogens. So not chiral. This is also 2 same groups, not chiral. Then here possibility is there. Then what is this? 1 group, second group, third group, another one is 4th chiral. So here not chiral. This is same, not chiral. Then here hydrogen hydrogen same is there, not chiral. But this is, if you observe, this is one group, this is one group, this is one group, this is hydrogen. This is also chiral. But here not chiral, here not chiral, here also not chiral. Then which will give the racemic mixture? Tell. This will give the racemic mixture, this will give the racemic mixture. Then 1 and 2. So options not given here. So option I want to give here 1 and 2, B 1, 2 and 4, C 1, 2 and 3, D 2 and 4. Then which is option? A. Because in A also is there chiral, in B also is there, 2 also is there chiral, therefore 1 and 2 is correct answer. Next 15. Iodination of methane can be carried out in presence of. Now this reaction is there, methane plus iodine, it gives a methyl iodide plus HI. How many hydrogens are there here? 4. 1 hydrogen, 1 iodine, HI, remaining I here. Okay, but this reaction is reversible. This reaction is reversible. So this reaction is reversible. Therefore, we are using good oxidizing agent. In your notebook, it is given, or in textbook also given, HNO3, otherwise HiO3. In presence of oxidizing agent only, this reaction is carried out. So they given here option. Question is what the iodination of methane can be carried out in presence of A, HI, B, UV radiation, C, HNO3, D, NaOH. Tell which is correct answer. Iodination of methane, this iodination of methane carried out in presence of which one? Maybe this or maybe this. These are present in this option, which is their C option. So in presence of oxidizing agent only this reaction is carried out. Why? Because we want only forward reaction, we don't want backward reaction. Due to this, reaction is backward. Then for Hi plus HiO3 for example is there. Then this is converted into I2 plus H2O like this. Then you can balance here 3 oxygen, and hydrogens are how many? 3 into 2, 6. Then here already 6 is there, means 5 hydrogen plus 1 hydrogen, 6. Then iodines are 5 plus 1, then here 3 into 2. Again, what is formed here? Whatever this formed Hi, that is not in the form of Hi. This is converting into which one? I2. So now only you may be heard that chemical equilibrium chapter, Le-Chatelier's principle. In that Le-Chatelier's principle, reactant concentration increases, then reaction proceeds forward direction. So this is Hi. Hi is converted to which one? I2. I2 is present which direction? Left side or right side is present? Left side. So reactant concentration increase means reaction proceeds in which direction? Forward direction. Therefore, these are used for iodination. Otherwise, reaction backward. We want always which one? Forward. Next, which of the following reaction has zero activation energy? 16 is zero activation energy. Option A, CH4 plus Cl dot gives rise to CH3 dot plus HCl. Option B, Cl2 gives rise to 2Cl dot. C, CH3 dot plus CH3 dot gives rise to CH3. And D is CH3 dot plus Cl bond gives rise to CH3 Cl plus Cl dot. Now like these questions are difficult because we may not understand. Question is what is there? Which of the following option having zero activation energy? Like this graph you may be studied that. This is energy diagram, this is this reaction coordinate. Clear? This is a reactant, this is product. Clear? This is whatever energy is there, that is normal energy. From base to here, this is having molecule having normal energy. From here to here, this gap is known as activation energy. This is denoted by EA. E mean energy, A mean activation. Activation energy. This is called threshold energy. End is threshold energy. End is what is that? Threshold. Threshold energy meaning what is that? Activation energy plus normal energy. What the point? Then activation energy. E threshold is equal to E activation plus E normal. Because this is final point now. Final point is combination of normal plus activation. What is the point? This is the height. Up to here one height, up to here one height. That is the total height, no? Same thing. Therefore, activation plus normal energy. Then what is the activation energy? Activation energy is equal to E threshold minus E normal. Clear? That you will study in second year also once again. So this is activation energy. Clear? Now, here CH3 dot, here this can be represented H. Bond breaking takes place or not here? Energy required? Zero means not required. But here required, then only CH3 dot form. Therefore, this is not zero activation energy. This is bond break into form Cl dot, then this is also not. Here what is there? Bond formed. Bond form in what is there? Loss. Loss mean in the form of minus. So it is less than 0 only. Then it is 0 considered. Then bond formation mean not required. Bond breaking mean required. Therefore option C. Then here also you can observe here. Here also bond formed. CH3 Cl. But here breakdown is there. Got the point? these are bond breaking, then only one Cl bonded to here and another Cl dot is there. So again here bond breaking takes place. Therefore, which option is correct? C option. Okay. Next, 17th question. Order of ease of formation of free radical in alkane is. Free radical formation, you know that tertiary is more easily formed because you know stability order. Carbocation free radical stability same. Carbanion is reverse. So which is more stable? Tertiary. Next, secondary. Next, primary. So options are given here. Methane, primary, secondary, tertiary. This is A option. B option is methane, primary, tertiary, secondary. C option, methane, primary, secondary, tertiary. D option, methane, primary, greater than secondary, greater than tertiary. Directly we can answer C option because tertiary is easily formed than the secondary, secondary easily formed the primary is than the methane. Okay, that is well known, that is. Then 18, which of the following alkane gives only one product of monochlorination? So this type of questions are very important. This question, you remember this concept. It's based on this only now question is which of the following will give the only one product of monochlorination? One product of monochlorination. How to identify? Now, options are A. Option A, butane. Option B, neopentane. Option C, isopentane. Option D, propane. See, read the question first. Which of the following gives only one monochlorination product? Only one. Neopentane is there. How much is given? Only one. Why? This is same or not? So if I want to write like this, its name, same. If I want to write like this, its name, same. If I want to write like this, its all name is same. That's why only one time we have to consider. Then option which one? This is. But here also possible, here also possible. Two products are possible. For this, here also possible, here also possible. Two. For this already is shown here. How many possible? 1, 2, 3, 4 are possible. So only one monochlorination product possible with which one? This. Clear this is? So you have to identify types of hydrogen. Once again this will come in the second year. Again I will teach this. Don't worry. The major product of the reaction given below is the major product. This is 19th. Okay. Now here what is it? D. So primary, secondary, tertiary. This carbon is carbon. Then this carbon bonded with how many carbon? 3. Then what do you call this? Is tertiary. This is also 1, 2, 3. This is also bonded with how many carbon? 3. Then this carbon and this carbon are tertiary carbon. These are which one? Secondary. This is primary, this is primary, this is secondary, this is secondary. Okay. If chlorination is there, then primary also takes place, secondary also takes place, tertiary also takes place. Like this already is shown here. This is which carbon? Tertiary. This is which carbon? Secondary. This is which carbon? Primary. All products are formed. But when bromine is there, where tertiary is there only product formed. See, tertiary, secondary, primary, all are present. Then which is major? Tertiary respect to major. If this is not there, only primary, secondary is there. That time which is major? Secondary major. Only primary, major. But when 3 are there, then which is major product? Directly, there is no primary, there is no secondary, directly tertiary respect. Now how many tertiary are there? 2. Then here D is there, here which is there? H. Then D replaces